In this video, you'll learn how to change the font in Claude AI so your chats look and feel exactly the way you want them to. Maybe you prefer something easier on the eyes for long sessions, or you just like a particular style. Whatever your reason, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure you're signed in to Claude and looking at the main chat interface. This is the usual screen where you type your messages and see Claude's responses. We're going to start by opening the settings menu, which is where appearance options like fonts are controlled. Look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be a small picture, an initial, or a generic user icon depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is the doorway to your personal options and preferences. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From here, you want to look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the main settings panel. This panel is where you can adjust various aspects of your Claude experience, but for now, we're going to focus only on how things look. Once the settings panel is open, find the section related to appearance. Depending on the layout you're using, it may be called appearance or something very similar. Inside that appearance area, you should see an option for chat font or font. This is the setting that controls the way the text looks in your conversations. Go ahead and click on the chat font setting. This will typically open a list or drop-down menu with different font options you can choose from. You might see a mix of serif and sans serif fonts, and possibly a few designed to be especially readable on screens. Take a moment to scroll through the choices and notice how each one is named. If there's a preview, use it to get a quick sense of how the text will look. Now choose the font you want to use. Simply click on your preferred option, and Claude will usually update the chat text immediately or as soon as you close the settings panel. This live update makes it easy to see whether the new font feels comfortable. If you're not happy with the first choice, you can repeat the process and try a different one until you find a style that works best for you. Once you're satisfied with your selection, you can close the settings panel. Your new font choice should now apply across your chats, making future conversations easier to read and more pleasant to look at. Remember, you can always return to the same settings area later if you want to switch fonts again or further refine how Claude appears on your screen. That's all there is to it. You open settings from your profile icon, navigated to the appearance or chat font section, and chose the font that fits your preferences. With just a few clicks, you've customized Claude AI to better match your reading style and make your day-to-day use a little more comfortable.